Why your prints are blurry and smudged. The hidden cause behind fuser film failure. Have you ever replaced your toner cartridge, yet your prints still come out blurry, smudgy, and faded? Don't worry, in this video, we'll dig into what's really happening inside your printer and how to fix it step by step. If your prints are faint or uneven even after replacing the toner, the first thing to check isn't the toner, it's the scanner unit. Over time, dust and moisture can build up on the scanner mirrors, especially if the printer is used in a dusty environment. Here's a simple test. Print a page, and before the paper passes through the fuser, open the printer's top cover to stop printing. Gently pull the paper out. If the toner marks are already smudged before reaching the fuser, your toner cartridge might be the issue. But if the print looks fine before fusing and gets messy afterward, that's your fuser film acting up. In this video, the printer has been operating in a dusty and humid environment, which has caused it to become quite dirty. Therefore, I'll be taking the printer apart to thoroughly clean the scanner unit and blow away all the accumulated dust and debris inside the machine. Use a clean cotton swab to carefully wipe the scanner mirrors and lenses. You'll be surprised how much it helps. Now, let's take a closer look at the fuser unit. I'll carefully remove it from the printer. Look for scratches, tears, or wrinkles on the film surface. Any damage here can cause the toner not to fuse properly onto the paper. So, why does the fuser film fail? Let's go through the main culprits. Paper jams. Even minor jams can scratch or deform the delicate film. Paper jam. Even minor jams can damage the delicate fuser film, causing scratches or wrinkles over time. This issue often occurs when reusing single-sided printed paper that still has staples or paper clips attached. In some cases, foreign objects accidentally dropped inside the printer can also tear or deform the fuser film, leading to poor print quality or heat transfer problems. Toner buildup. Excess toner dust inside the fuser causes abrasion and early wear. Age and wear. Genuine HP films can last up to 100,000 pages under ideal conditions, but every film has its lifespan. Sometimes the causes are less obvious. Incorrect paper type, too thick, thin, or rough paper can stress the film. Environment. High humidity or extreme heat can cause cracks or peeling. Non-OEM parts. Cheap aftermarket films often fail early and can even damage the heater roller. Before replacing the fuser film, I'll thoroughly clean and wash the printer's plastic cover to make sure everything looks neat and spotless. And now, back to the main part of this video, replacing the fuser film. As you can see, the fuser film is in very poor condition. There's a thick layer of toner buildup, and the surface is heavily worn. This printer has been handling a high volume of printing tasks for quite some time, so it's perfectly understandable why the fuser film has become this severely damaged. As you can see, the heating roller is quite dirty, with a lot of residue and buildup on its surface. When replacing the fuser film, make sure to clean it thoroughly. Wiping it down with acetone will help remove all the contaminants and ensure proper heat transfer. The condition of this fuser heating core is quite bad, but let's try to clean it thoroughly and keep using it for now, guys. Inside this fuser core, there are two important components: the thermistor and the thermostat. The heating roller is heated to a specific temperature threshold. The thermistor acts as a temperature sensor, responsible for detecting and sending temperature feedback to the main control board. Meanwhile, the thermostat functions as a thermal fuse, or safety switch. It cuts off the power when the temperature exceeds the safe limit, preventing overheating or damage to the printer. Therefore, it's important to carefully clean the area around these two temperature sensors to ensure they work properly. And next, we'll replace the fuser film. Make sure to use high-quality replacement parts to ensure the printer operates smoothly, efficiently, and with the best possible durability over time. On the fuser film, you'll see one end with the gray ring. This side should face the black bushing on the pressure roller. It's designed to help the fuser film rotate smoothly while printing. If you accidentally install it the other way around, the printer might still work at first, but over time, it can lead to paper jams in the fuser unit because the film may slip and stop rotating properly. So, be careful and make sure to install it the right way, okay? Apply the fuser grease that comes with the kit evenly on the heating roller to ensure smooth operation and proper heat transfer. It's raining heavily outside right now, so I'll turn off the background sound to make it easier for you to hear the instructions clearly. Thank you so much for understanding and staying with the video. So next time your prints look smudgy or faded, don't just replace the toner. Check your scanner and fuser first. Proper cleaning and genuine parts will make your printer last longer and print sharper. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's video. Your support is the foundation that helps this channel grow and spread more positive values to everyone. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really means a lot and motivates me to create even better content. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all joy and positive energy every day.